Are you ready to purge some stress? Let's take a little bit wider stance. Chin to the chest, just roll down. We're going to hang over. Yeah, let that all go. Whew. Release the head, neck, and shoulders. Release the lower back. You could keep your knees bent or you can straighten your legs, whatever feels good. Slow, deep breathing. Just purging everything. Grasp the hands together, roll up. Full body flow. Glide the hips forward. Arch back and exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. You're stretching all the major muscles in your body with this one. The back of the body as you go down. The front of the body as you go up and back. And that's important because that tension gets stored in the body and we just want to release it. And that's trapped energy, trapped stagnant energy. So let's get rid of that. All right, let's just hang over once again. And then this time walk over to one leg, opposite arm on that, and flop that arm across the back and look over your shoulder. Yep, I'm going to stretch that whole spinal column with a nice twist. Breathe into it. Expand the stretch with that. And you know there's that tension in your neck and shoulders. Relax them and twist them all at the same time. Yeah. Roll over and come back down and then roll over to the other side. Looking over the shoulder, looking up at the sky, at the ceiling, and just relax and stretch. Breathe into it. Twist the neck a little bit more. See if you can't get all that released. And back to the center. Roll up one vertebrae at a time. Already feeling like a new person. Bring the feet in a little bit more. We're just going to shake. Yeah. Release the head, base the neck. Release the hips. Shake those arms. Start with those hands, elbows, shoulders. See if you can't get every little thing as loose as a noodle. This is your chance to really move things out of the shoulders and the neck. Purging all that stress and tension. Oh, nice deep exhale with that ha sigh, and that's the sound that releases the fire element, releases emotional stuff just stuck. Bang your heels. Just do whatever you need to do. Slow it down. Oh, relax. Notice how your body's feeling. Already got a little less tension in there. Now we're just going to do a little swing here. Movement originates from the hips and the waist. This is called knocking on the door of life. Arms are just relaxed. Really release the shoulders. And you look over your shoulder as you twist around. Still squeezing out that tension out of the spinal column. And when we're knocking on the door of life, that's the point directly behind the navel on the back, we release our primordial stores of qi. So we're just getting our qi circulating. Now that we've purged out a bunch of stagnant qi, we can relax and allow qi to just flow, fresh qi to flow through the body, healing everything, balancing our immune system, which really gets a beating when we're stressed out. So this restores kind of normal function to the body. And let's slow it down into water waves. Same basic movement, but we're no longer tapping on the body. This time, just imagine your hands are, well, you can feel your hands flowing through the air, but imagine they're just swiping away any of your problems. Like you can, whoosh, don't need that person, don't need that emotion, that situation. So just feel that you're clearing that out of your etheric field. For just this one moment, you can have that all cleared out. You can pick it up later if you want, but right now, it's not in your space. It's just you and source energy. Yeah, you and the source energy. Feeling good. And slow that down. Bring the feet in, shoulder width apart. We'll do our flow section, restoring peace and calm. Just going to float the arms up and float the arms down. Open the flow, very simple movement. Inhale as you go up, exhale as you go down. Undulating the whole body. So inhale, you're kind of rocking forward onto your toes. Exhale, you're going back onto your heels. Inhale and exhale, pulling the energy back in. Exhale, releasing, restoring calm, bringing energy, fresh energy in. Flows are where we absorb that beautiful energy from all around us. Let it soak into the body as if we're a sponge, restoring balance to the body and health. Feeling the whole body move in a circular fashion. That's the important part with a flow. It's not so much how you're doing it as much as you become very circular with it. You don't want any stops or starts. You want to be continuous. You want to connect the body completely. So, you're floating your arms up and then you feel them just kind of move back into the body and they go down the body, the hips, and then the hips propel the arms out again. And our last one, we'll bring that energy back to center. And then one hand face up over the navel, the other on top of that. A nice earth element for pebble in the pond, pushing out with the arm, bringing it back in, palm up, the other one goes down, and then that one goes out. Single hand pebble in the pond. Really nice flow. Bringing energy back to center, really resetting the parasympathetic nervous system back on. Good for digestion, that whole rest and digest system. You've turned off your fight and flight system, the sympathetic nervous system. And you can keep flowing, but I think I'm right about at my 10 minutes. This feels so short to bring in more calm. So we'll do one more. Bring that energy in. And just feel it settling into your center. The lower Tien in the center of the body. Couple finger widths below the navel. As you do more Qigong, you'll feel that center grow in power, get larger, more obvious, and then you'll move through your day from your center, which will then allow you to avoid getting stressed out to begin with. You'll just be in this peace and calm all the time. Thank you for practicing with me today. Rejoice in having done something spectacular for yourself. And let's do it again soon.